Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rubies much faster inside the forge. First, you need to buy luck potions and mining potions, and make sure to use them. Then, go to the cave on the second map. There are specific areas where your chances of getting rubies are much higher. This cave has rocks that are harder to mine, but they give you better luck for rare minerals like rubies. Here, you can find these two rocks that you can mine repeatedly to get rubies faster. With the luck potion and mining potion, this process becomes much easier. In this area, it's also very common to get epic and legendary minerals, especially epic ones. The only downside is that there are many monsters that deal a lot of damage, so it's better to avoid them unless you're well equipped. You can also mine volcanic rocks, which are harder but give better rewards. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Glitch Sip.